Today, we're gonna look at the boat launch down at the Nisqually Reach or Nisqually Delta. And this one happens to be right next door to the Nisqually Reach Nature Center. It's a solid boat ramp. It's not slippery, no giant potholes or cracks or anything in it. It is a little sketchy on each side, but you know, it is what it is. The water does tend to, or the ramp tends to go into the water at a gentle slope. So if you have a sailboat or a deep V, you might want to find a different ramp. Off to one side, so on the left side as you're looking out to the water, there are rocks, a big pile of them. You can see some of them there. If you stay close to the ramp, you could probably beach to pick people up, but I would go to the other side. I don't see any rocks from here, but you know, come in at your own risk. But it seems to me you could land in this gravel to pick people up or drop them off. It's a beautiful view. There are speed limits if you go into the reach area, but out here it gives you great access to the South Sound. There's Ketron in the distance right in the center there, and Anderson Island right there, and off towards Olympia and Shelton back that way. Here's going back up the launch. Come on down, check it out.